In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a service quote form with Ninja Forms. We'll walk through the full process from getting the plugin ready to publishing your form on a page with a few practical tips to make setup smooth and the results professional. Start by opening the Create Service Quote Form resource and selecting the guide titled How to Create a Service Quote Form with Ninja Forms. Then open the step-by-step guide to follow along. This gives you a clear outline of what you'll build and where each setting lives. Next, install and activate Ninja Forms. Navigate to your WordPress dashboard, head to the plugins area, and add Ninja Forms. Once activated, you'll see a Ninja Forms menu appear in the sidebar. That confirms the plugin is ready to use. If you want to save time, you can import a pre-built template. Look for the Service Quote Calculator template and bring it into your site. Templates are helpful because they include common fields and, in many cases, calculation logic that you can tailor to your services and pricing. Now customize the form. Go to Ninja Forms, then All Forms, and open the imported template or a new form if you prefer to start from scratch. Update the fields to match your business needs. Things like name, email, service type, service options, quantities, and any notes. Use clear labels and mark critical fields as required to improve submission quality. If your quote needs an estimated total, ensure the calculation field is present and reflects your pricing. You can drag and drop to reorder fields, rename them, and add helpful descriptions or placeholders so users know exactly what to enter. Remember to save regularly as you work. Configure email notifications so you get alerted and your customer receives a confirmation. In the form editor, open the Emails and Actions tab, edit the admin email to send submissions to your inbox, and add a user confirmation email so the requester gets a copy of their quote details. Customize the subject lines from name and message body and insert merge tags to include submitted data neatly in the email. When everything looks good, publish the form so it's ready to place on your site. Then go to Pages and either add a new page or edit an existing one where you want the form to appear. Insert the form using the editor's form block, select your service quote form, and update or publish the page. Finally, preview the page and submit a quick test entry to confirm the calculations, email notifications, and confirmation messages all behave as expected. Your service quote form is now live and ready to collect requests.